people? It's your boy Los. I want to give a special shout out to my boy Raul Delgado. He blessed me with 2 fine young birds yesterday. I'm already in love with this little young man right here. Trying to get pictures, but she was not standing still. Wiley, Cox the same way. I'm about to switch over to him right now. I'll make sure you find a picture right there. I'll get a picture of it. I'll do the video when I'm trying to get pictures when I can. Switch over to Kyle. Preview of what popped off last night too. Gave a few away, never picked up none of my 4th place certificates. And I broke one inside, I gotta fix the top. I dropped it, but yo, this is it's nice, man. I like how he sparkle with the light. You can go to the tape measure. He sparkle with the light. You already know, man, it's your boy Los. King. It's a little bit, of what's to come. Once again, shout out to my boy Raul. Nowhere in the world I could have picked it up, brother. So flighty, man. So powerful in the hand, guys. You guys know what that felt like. To be so light with some muscle at the same time. It's amazing. It's called condition. Swing over this way. Real quick. Oh. Play around. Either going in their own section or they're just in here for eating right now. I gotta take them out. But you already know.